I've come back to Shinjuku to do a chopstick making class and I'm very excited for this, so let's get going. I genuinely had no idea how difficult making chopsticks would be. Turns out getting two sticks to be the same shape and size is harder than you think. I made the initial booking online, which was just £7 for 1 hour and a pair of chopsticks, but I paid an extra 4,000 yen after arriving to make a second pair, as well as for engraving for both pairs. You start by choosing your wood type, and each one has its own difficulty level based on how hard it is for beginners to shape. Seeing as I'd never done this before, of course I started with a low level one, and was set up with a plane, sandpaper and oil before getting to work. It was certainly a workout for the arms, and it was pretty painful for the hands as well. I did start to get a little bit sweaty at one point. After planing, it was on to sanding. This reduces roughness in the texture, as well as helping to curve the edges of the wood. The first pair I was doing for myself, so I didn't mind that they had imperfections. The second pair were for my partner. I had a bit of practice now, so tried a difficulty level up for the wood. They're definitely the better pair of the two, as they should be. Chopsticks have been used in Japan for well over 1,000 years, originally spreading from China before evolving into styles unique to Japanese culture. Traditional Japanese chopsticks are often slightly shorter and more tapered than Chinese versions, designed to make handling fish easier. The process of making them by hand is quite meticulous, carefully shaving down the wood bit by bit, sanding it smooth, then sealing it with oil to protect the finish and bring out the grain. Our first names were lasered onto the chopsticks to add an extra personal touch, and now engraved, both pairs were ready for the final stage. So I popped a pair of gloves on and oiled up those wooden bad boys. And there we have it, chopsticks handmade by yours truly. So, 2 pairs of chopsticks made, all wrapped up very nicely, ready to take home, one as a present and one for me. Yeah, this was quality and like a great way to end my time in Japan. It certainly was. I didn't intend to leave it to the last day, but I'm really glad I found the time to squeeze it in. It's not often you get to bring a souvenir home that you've crafted for yourself, and it was also a lot of fun. I've put a link down in the description to this class if it's something that you're interested in doing while in Japan. One last thing. As usual, to wrap things up, it's time to get some magnets on the board, but this time I've not got just one or two, but 3 magnets from Japan. Get on the board. Okay, but that, at least for now, is my time in Japan all covered. Have a good one, and I'll catch you next time.